Yes, ma'am. Good morning. I hope my voice is clear, right? Good morning, ma'am. I hope my voice is clear, right? My voice is clear, right? Yes, ma'am. Uh, Today we are going to see automata questions, ma'am. Automata fix. So how automata fix is different from the normal questions? See, ma'am. In Normally, if you take the TCS NQT and other coding questions, they call as a pseudo codes, ma'am. They call it as a pseudo codes, and generally they ask you to what is the output of a given program. Is it not audible? Is my voice audible or not? Is my voice is clear, right? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So normally they'll ask the pseudo codes, ma'am. Pseudo codes adugutuntaru. They'll ask the pseudo codes and what is the output from the expected of the given snippet. But here the CTS they are going to use some error code, ma'am. So that code you need to rectify, and so and you have to identify various errors, ma, syntax errors, semantics errors. You need to identify. From that you need to identify. So what is the output? I mean, they'll give the input and output, ma. You have to generate an output for that. And you have to modify the given error code into the correct code. Okay, na? So we'll see first question, ma. This is the first question. This is the first question. See, the question is, see, observe carefully, ma. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. The function is sorting. The function is sort string, ma. Sort string. So you just go to the question. 1 minute, ma. I'll give the 1 minute time. So meanwhile, you just go to the question. Yes, ma'am. So, ఏమన్నాడు, ma? What is saying in the question? So see, the function sort string modifies the input list by sorting its elements depending upon the length of the array. Depending upon the length of the array. If the length of the array is even, please note this, if the length of the array is even, then the elements are arranged in the ascending order. Elements are arranged in the ascending order, ma. If the length is array is odd, ma. If the length array is odd, then the elements arranged in the descending order. The elements arranged in the descending order, right? So here we have one function. The function is need to find the sort string. So అది ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ascending or descending or descending అనేది based on the length of the string. If the length of the string is even, then it is a ascending. So it is even, then it is a ascending, right? So next, if the odd, if the length is odd, then it is a descending, right? This is a descending, right? The function is sorting accept the two arguments. So a function ఎలా ఉంటుంది, two arguments ని accept చేస్తుంది. And length represent the alien. Alien అని ఒక argument, అది length. And array is the second argument, the length, the array of elements, array of the elements, right? So this is the code. Please go through the code carefully. But this is the code. So they have even some error lines. So this is the one line. Here the error is there, and here the error is there. Here the error is there. So what are the problems? I mean, what is the error here? Can you identify? See, length len is a length of the array, and this is the array is used for yes, exactly. Here it is not a division. It should be a modulo division. You know very well. So modulo division, if the modulo division is 0, then it is a even. Modulo division is 1, then it is a odd. So you know very well. So instead of that operation, it should be a modulo division. Please modify this one. And next thing, error in this line, error in this line and error in this line. First one is clear. So here you should place a modulo division instead of division, right? So next, here they are going to the first loop. The loop is repeating from the 0 to length. 0 నుంచి length వరకు రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. Length modulo division 0 కాదు, length modulo division 2. Some of them saying that length modulo division 2. It is not length modulo division 0. It is not length modulo division 0. It is length modulo division 1. Length modulo division 1. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటి length modulo division 2 is equal to 0. Right? So coming to here, see, next ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, max. So max element తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. They are getting the first taking. So this is a selection sort. If you observe here, they are taking the selection sort. Selection sort ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, from the sorting, they are going to maintain the maximum element. So first element maximum అనుకుంటున్నాడు. So see, max value. So you know, if it is a modulo division 2, is it ascending or descending? Is it ascending or descending? So even is it ascending or descending? Ascending, right? So now we need to perform ascending, right? So means you need to pick the largest element and put it in the last one. Largest element తీసుకొనేసి లాస్ట్ లో పెట్టాలి. That is your task, right? So ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, max కంటే array అనేది పెద్దగా అయినప్పుడు, see, observe చేయమా. Suppose if you take these elements are 2, 5, 6, 7. These are the elements, right? These are the elements. So if you consider these elements, see, 5. So initially 5 is stored at the maximum. So max level manaku 5 undi, right? 5 undi, right? So after that, location equal to I. So location vachesi I undi, right? So after that, for j equal to I, I2 length వరకు రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో లెంత్ వరకు రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నామా, మ్యాక్స్ లెస్ దాన్ I మీన్స్ 5 less than I. కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ కదా. సో I అనేది అక్కడే ఉంది కదా, సేమ్ కదా. సో 5 less than 5, కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్. సో it comes to here. Next, j value goes to 1. J value goes to 1. So for 1, what happened? So max value is 5. Max value is 5, but less than 2. Less than 2. See, condition is The condition is, so array of j, the condition is false, right? The condition is false, right? So when the condition is false, what it is going to do? So again it goes to here now. Yes. So error in this line, right? So next is temp equal to array of I. Temp equal to array of I. So array of I lo the value manaku. So array of I lo ma. Array of I. So I value is initially 0 na. So initially 0 kada. So temp lo 0 ostundma. So location. So location ekkada untundi manaku final ga. Location ekkada undi chudandi. Maximum value దగ్గర లొకేషన్ ఉంటుంది మా. maximum value దగ్గర లొకేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు, maximum వాల్యూని 0 లో స్టోర్ చేయాలంటున్నాడు. maximum వాల్యూని 0 లో స్టోర్ చేయాలంటున్నాడు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రాంగ్ మా. సో మీరేం చేయాలి, స్మాల్ వాల్యూని, అంటే ఇక్కడ maximum ని మళ్ళీ మిస్గైడ్ చేశాడు. maximum అంటున్నాడు, maximum ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నాడు, 0 లో స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అంటే మీ maximum వాల్యూ ఇప్పుడు 7 వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది మా. 7 వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అయ్యి 2, 6, 5 ఇలా వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద రాంగ్ మా. మీ టాస్క్ ఏంటి, స్మాల్ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో స్మాల్ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ షుడ్ బి ద గ్రేటర్ దెన్. సో సేమ్ సి హియర్, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ హియర్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి a less than. సో నౌ యూ కెన్ కన్సిడర్, నౌ యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ సేమ్ లిస్ట్ మా. సేమ్ లిస్ట్ మళ్ళీ తీసుకోండి. మీరు సేమ్ లిస్ట్ మళ్ళీ తీసుకునేసేసి ఇప్పుడు పర్ఫామ్ చేసినప్పుడు మా, ఇఫ్ యూ పర్ఫామ్ ద సేమ్ ఆపరేషన్ మీరు చూసుకోండి మా. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు మా, ఈ లొకేషన్ ని ఐలో స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నాడు. లొకేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, లొకేషన్. సో ఈ లొకేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ లూప్ మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. సో మాక్సిమం వాల్యూని ఎక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాడు, 0తో. ఐ వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ 0తో మాక్సిమం వాల్యూని రీప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాడు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రాంగ్, రైట్? సో ఏం చేయాలి, 0లో అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏం ఉంటుందా, స్మాల్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటుందా, లార్జ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటుందా? అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ మీన్స్, సో వాట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఈస్ దేర్, is a small element or large element? Is a small element or large element ma? Small, right? So your task is to replace the small element at the starting position. So you should change this less than with greater than ma. So same here, greater than with less than ma. Is this clear ma? These two are the wrong things ma. So these three are the wrong things. Please note this ma. So here length modulo division 2, and here instead of greater than, so instead of less than you should place a greater than ma. Here instead of less than you should place less than, right? Is this clear ma? You should identify like this. So now if you execute this program, you will get the right answer for the even numbers, for the odd numbers. If you have any doubts, ask me. If people have any doubts, ask me. If you doubts, yes ma'am. If people have any doubts, ask me. Right ma'am? This is the next question. So see ma'am, max replace is a function. So print the space separated integers representing the input list ma'am. So space separated integers as an input list. After replacing all the elements of the input list with the sum of all the elements. See, but task is, first you need to find all the sum find out cheyali. Sum find out చేసిన తర్వాత you should replace all elements with the sum. So replacing all the elements, అన్ని elements ఎలా రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి, sum తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. Should replace with the sum. Now sometimes they mention, sometimes they didn't mention ma. కొన్నిసార్లు వాళ్ళు మెన్షన్ చేస్తారు మా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మా, సార్ they will mention a error lines. Sometimes they will mention, other times may not. Okay na? Right? Is this clear ma? కొన్నిసార్లు మెన్షన్ చేస్తారు మా, sometimes they didn't. sometimes they didn't ma. Right? చూడమా సో యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ లిస్ట్ సో ఆ లిస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే మీరు సపోజ్ నాకు ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి 1 1 2 3 4 వాట్ ఇస్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 4 మెంబర్స్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఐ మీన్ దీస్ 4 మెంబర్స్ మా వాట్ ఇస్ ద సమ్ 10 right so I need to do this 10 with all these elements ma 10 10 10 so ఇలా చేంజ్ చేయాలి మా this is my task ఓకేనా okay this is my task so they have given a program so this is the program they have given this is the program they have given so this is the error line ma. This is the error line so what I need to do here what I need to do here what I need to do here ma. Plus observe carefully observe exactly super ma see what they are doing here they find the sum ma here they find the sum so just now you said na 10 they found the sum so for the 1 2 3 4 ki 10 and find out chesaru they found the 10 ma 10 and find out chesaru but here what they are doing sum equal to input of list and again what happened some value is replaced with the normal values so your task is so you have to store this value here sum ikkada store cheyali kada so that is the wrong one that is why how to make it input list so just erase this one and equal to sum is this clear ma is this clear ma is this clear right ma'am right we'll move to the next question ma'am move to the next question so see ma observe carefully the function replace element is modifying ma replace elements is modifying the input list in such a way if the sum of all elements of the input list is odd sum of all the elements of the input list is odd okay na if the sum is odd then all the elements of the input list are supposed to replace by 1 see ma odd aithe you should replace with 1 in case of the sum of all the elements of the input list is even see ma sum is even then the elements should be replaced by 0 the elements is replaced by 0 see they have given 1 2 3 4 5 see 1 2 3 4 okay na so what is the sum here ma 10 right so 10 is even or odd 10 is even or odd ma 10 is even or odd ma even right so even means I have to replace with which number which digit ma 0 or 1 yes ma 0 then so this list is converted into 0 0 0 0 if not means if it is a odd number you take that 1 2 3 4 5 what is the sum is 15 right sum is 15 right if it is 15 then you need to replace with 1 so 1 1 1 1 1 so you should replace the list with 1 right is this clear ma is this clear how they are doing right ma is this clear right ma if you have any doubts ask me don't take that will be either difficult or easy ma so definitely you people can do these one okay na so you people should prepare with the coding so coding prepare ayye vallu I think na definitely you people can solve this kind of problems There is no big issue. Right? Right, ma? See, so this is the program what they have given. So where I need to change the code. So even they have given the error line also. Error line kuda ichchadu ma. So even they have given error line also. Now all these questions are given in the prep insta ma. So all these questions referenced from prep insta. Prep insta reference ma. Exactly, super. Exactly ma. So here what they are doing ma, size modulo division 2. Size means length. But as per the question, what they are talking about that? They are talking about that. So all the elements ma. All the elements. So they are talking about the sum, right? They are talking about the sum. But here they have given size, right? Size. So they are not talking about the length ma. They are talking about the sum, right? So you should replace size with sum ma. Sum modulo division 2 is equal to 0. You should replace like this. You should replace like this. Is this clear? Is this clear, ma? So observe carefully, ma. So first you spend 1 or 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes on the question. There is not a big issue, ma. Okay, na? 2 minutes spend cheyandi. So after that you go to this problem, right? So without understanding the code, problem artham avvakokunda you can't do anything here. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏమీ చేయలేరు మా. So yes ma. See, given n ma, print zeros to n by identifying the where the n is even or odd ma. See, if n is 10, you should print all the even numbers. If n is odd, then you should print all the what is this series? What is this series ma? What is this series? Odd, right? Yes. If it is a odd, n is a odd, you should print the odd numbers. Exactly. Super. If it is a even, then you should print the even series. Even series. See. Now they didn't give any error lines here. Error lines emi levu. So now your task is to identify what are the errors in this given program. Observe carefully. Observe carefully and find out. Super ma. Exactly ma. See, if you want to read an integer, you should replace star with ampersand. Star with ampersand. As well as see, if okay, right, n I read it ma. So line by line ma. So scanf data read chesanu. After that n modulo division equal to 0. So you know that it is a conditional operator, right? It is a relational operator, right? So equal means assignment operator. So you should use a equal ma. So n modulo division 2 is equal to 0, right? This is the next ma. If the condition is true, we comes to here. I equal to 0, I less than n. Yes. See, I less than n, what they are given here? Colon. So it is a semicolon, right? I equal to I plus 2. Yes, ma. 0 plus 2. So what it is going to? 0. So 0, 2, 4. Okay. So here, instead of colon, it should be a semicolon. Instead of colon, it is a semicolon, right? So percentage d, then it printed the value and it is a space, right? If it is a else, ma. If it is a else, I equal to 1. I less than n. So 1 print outundi. 1 tarvata 1 plus 2, right? 3 plus 2, 5, right? Yes, it is getting right answer, right? So yes, ma'am. Now it is clear, right? So the errors in this program, first here you should use an ampersand, here you should use a double equal to, here you should use a semicolon, right? This is clear. So any errors are there still? Is this clear, ma'am? Is this clear? Or if you have any doubts here, Ima, do you have any doubts here? Do you have any doubts here? Yes, ma'am. I less than or equal to n. Yes. So here, what you need to do? 10 and it has to consider 10 also, right? Yes, exactly. So here you should use r equal to. R equal to. Exactly, ma'am. Exactly. Because see, if 10 is the input, then you need to bring 2, sorry, so see, 0, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? 10 also. But if you consider like this, it doesn't consider 10 ma. So 10 times repeat odante. So how many times it repeats? So 0 nunchi ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you consider this one, it repeats only 5 times. So ela 5 times ante see ma. 0 less than 9, 2 less than 9, 4 less than 9, 6 less than 9, sorry, 8 less than 9. What about 10? So for 10 less than 9, condition false, it exits the loop. So for that, the series it will print 8, 2, 4, 6, right? Is it clear, ma? Right? Is it clear, right? Ma, you should identify like this. See, my error line is that is very easy. If they didn't provide any error line ఇవ్వలేదు అంటే కంపల్సరీగా you have to go through entire code. ఈ కోడ్ మొత్తం మీరు చూడాల్సి ఉంటుంది, right? So next question, ma. Next question. See, the series is like this. Suppose if your input is 4, 4 అని ఇస్తే 1, 1, first time 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Again, it is going to repeat it, ma. So 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. So it has to print like this. ఇలా ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి, ఇలా ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి. So this is the code, ma. This is the code. Ma, clean observation. It is a keen observation, ma. Clean observation. Chala important, ma. See, from you should start with the int main. Int main nunchi from return 0 varaku you have to go through very clearly each and every statement. Okay, na? Int I comma j comma n. Right. There is no issue. Print enter the number of rows. There is no issue. Scanf percentage d ampersand n. Right. There is no issue. Then ma, next, what is the program? So it will print the values, right? So I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus means, so if n is 4 means 4 times it will repeat. N is 4 means it will repeat 4 times, right? So this is right, ma. Next, ma, for j equal to 1, j equal to 1, j less than I, ma. J equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. The first time first time 1 less than or equal to 1, condition true. Right? First time 1 time repeat అవుతుంది, next time 2 times, 3 times, అలా, right? Right? So j equal to j plus 1, right? So next ma, print of percentage d. I means first time 1 print అవుతుంది, next time 2 2 print అవుతుంది, next time 3 3 3 print అవుతుంది, next time 4 4 4 4 print అవుతుంది. Then slash n, ma. Yes. So next every time we are getting the next line also, right? Right, ma. Next I equal to n, I equal to n. Next time ఏంటి మన ప్రతిసారి ఏం కావాలి, 4 ఫస్ట్ టైం 4 లైన్స్ ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి, నెక్స్ట్ టైం 3 లైన్స్, నెక్స్ట్ టైం 2 లైన్స్, నెక్స్ట్ టైం 1 లైన్, రైట్? సో I equal to 4 మీన్స్, సో సేమ్ ఇక్కడే యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు j equal to 1, j less than I, మా. సో j వాల్యూ 1 అయింది, j వాల్యూ 1 అయింది, బట్ see మా, j వాల్యూ 1 అయింది, రైట్? j వాల్యూ 1 అయింది, మా. So j less than I, j less than or equal to I. So 1 is less than or equal to 4, ma. Yes, 4 times repeat అవుతుంది. So I in print చేస్తుంది, ma. I value ఎంత, 1. So here this is the wrong. It should be j equal to j plus 1. J equal to j plus 1. J equal to j plus 1. Right? J equal to j plus 1. So then it comes to here. After that 4 print ayindi. After that there is no anything more. Then the next time it prints 3 3s here. But it should go to the next line, right? So there is no printf slash n. Right? Is this clear? Is this clear now? See ma, here j equal to j plus 1, first error. Here you should insert printf slash n. My advice is please go through each and every line. Each and every line. If they didn't mention any error lines, ma. If they didn't mention any error lines, you should go through each and every line. Okay, if you mention, then there is a easy call. It is very easy task. If they didn't mention, you should go through each and every line. Now, do you have any doubts here? Do you have any doubts here, ma? Do you have any doubts here? Right? Yes, ma'am. In the code, you need to find the greatest among the 3 errors, ma'am. Greatest among the 3 errors. Greatest among the 3 errors. Greatest among the 3 errors, ma'am. So here they have given a code. So my task is, suppose 2, 9, 3 chanukunna, it should print 9. 9 and print cheyali. Now identify where is the mistake is there. Where the mistake is there. See. So ABC max num. Yes. Enter 3 numbers. Yes. First printf. First number. Yes. %d ampersand a. Very good. So second, it is a very good. So scanf %d ampersand a. Right. So third number %d scanf is semicolon. So everything is right. Right. So next one, C. A, B, C, right? This is a A, this is a B, this is a C, right? So A greater than B, A greater than B. So A greater than B means 2 greater than B, 2 greater than 9. So condition true. If the condition true, see, if it is a condition true, see in conditional operator, you have a condition true, false, true and false, right? ఇలా ఉంటుంది right? Condition true అయితే ఇక్కడికి వస్తాం, condition false అయితే ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తాం. See, condition false, right? Condition false. In the condition false, you need to comes to here, but here semicolon is there. Here question mark is there, but here also question mark is there. What is this? So means something is wrong here, right? So here, if the question mark, this is the true statement, right? If it is a true statement, if it is a false statement, then it should be a colon. It should be a colon, right? Ikkada, Sima. Here, it is not a question mark. It is a colon. It is a colon, right? Right? So then after that, see, I've observed the problem. If the condition is 2 greater than 6, condition false, it comes to here. So B value is 6 is greater than 4, right? Then condition true, right? B will comes to here. B అనేది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తుంది, right? Everything is right, right? Everything is right. So ఈ condition చూడలేదు మా, we didn't see this condition. So చూడమా, ఇది ఒక wrong, right? So after that, you need to find the any mistakes or the still. So 1, 2, 3 is another. So next time C is a large this one. If you take the C is a large. C is a large one. So 5, 2, 6. 5, 2, 6 mark. Then it comes to here 5 is greater than 2. Condition true. In the condition true, it comes to here. Then a value is 5. A value is 5, right? A value is 5 greater than, what is the 6? C ma. What is the C value? What is the C value? It is a C value. You should respond, right? So it is a 6. It is a 6. Then condition false, right? When the condition false, it comes to here, right? 6. So 6 only output. Yes, ma. Next, ma, large number, percentage D is, so we have a 3 percentage D's, right? So yes, open close, A, B, C maximum. Yes, ma. Right. So only one mistake is there. That is a colon. Right? This is clear. This is clear, right? Yes, ma'am. Good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, do you have any doubts? Ask me and post it in the, just ping me as a message, ma'am. See, ma'am, this is the output you need to print. So what is the output of this program? So output ఎలా ఉండాలంటే కదా, welcome to ROM అని ఉండాలి మా. Welcome to ROM. So this should be codes లో ఉండాలి నాకు. Codes లో ఉండాలి. Can I identify where is the error? Can I identify where is the error? Yes, ma. Super. Yes, ma. Exactly, ma. Exactly. See, if you want to print a quotes, if you want to print a double quotes, ma. If you want to print a double quotes, that should be with a code, right? So adi kuda ela undali manaku. See, for the right way ela undali ma. So welcome to colon tarvata ila undali ma. Double quotes and quotes, right? Single quote ena double quote missing, just slash okatena ma. See ma, only slash lekapothe slash with double quote, slash 2 double quotes. See, e double quote ki e double quote. So for that I need to use a slash, right? So for this double quote I need a one more double quote, right? Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong, ma? We need 2 double quotes, right? So please note this, ma. Observe carefully. So for this you need a 1. It's very good, ma. Nice. But so what about the opening double quotes? For that also you need to give the one double quote, right? Ending double quote. Otherwise you'll get a syntax error. You'll get a syntax error, right? I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, ma. Right? It is clear. Should respond. Don't be sit idle. Don't be sit idle, ma. You should respond. Yes. But just to choose the aim raadu kada. So you should respond. Should respond with me. Right? Then print prime number from an array up to given value by using existing function. So here they have given like this. See, ma, we have seen up to now 2 kinds of. First they may mention the error line, ma. They will mention error line. Error line mention chestar, ma. Okay na? So this is the first type. So second type, ma, we will see without error line, ma. Without error line. Next, ma, this is the third type, ma. Fill the function. Right? Fill the function. See. So prime numbers. So for example, print in numbers from an array up to given integer, ma. Given value varaku manamu integers prime numbers print cheyali. సో ఇక్కడ మీ టాస్క్ ఏంటంటే అడిగిన సుమా టైప్ యువర్ కోడ్. సో ఏం ప్రింట్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ మనము? ఈజ్ ప్రైమ్, ఈజ్ ప్రైమ్, ఈజ్ ప్రైమ్. సో ఇట్ షుడ్ రిటర్న్ ఎయిదర్ 0 ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ మా. 0 ఆర్ 1, 0 ఆర్ 1 రిటర్న్ చేయాలి. 0 ఆర్ 1 ని రిటర్న్ చేయాలి మా. ఇఫ్ 0 మీన్స్ ఇట్ డజంట్ యాడ్ ఇన్ టు ద అర్రే. 0 అయితే ఆ అరేలో యాడ్ చేయదు మా. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ 0 ఇట్ యాడెడ్ ఇన్ టు ద అర్రే, రైట్? It is not added into the array, right? See ma, here they are going to take that num. Num is a input ma. So you need to find that num is a prime or not. You know very well what is the logic for the finding the prime? Yes ma, what is the logic? Prime means how you say that the given number is prime. How you say that the given number is prime? How you say ma? ఎలా చెప్తారు? Yes, yes ma. So no factors కదా ma. So we have 2 factors. Yes ma, a number has only 2 factors ma. A number has only 2 factors. ఎలా అయినా చెప్పొచ్చు ma. A number has a number is divisible by 1 and itself, first definition. A number has only 2 factors. Next thing ma, okay na, ala elana maatladukochu. See, for that if you write a code for this, see ma, even you can write so meeku already code telusuntadi ma. So you can write any code which you know already, okay na. I am going to write some efficient code ma. Efficient C, this is a language C, right? So C lo rastunnam ma. C int I equal to 0, sorry, I equal to 1, I equal to 1. So from 1 to so divisible ma. Ekkada nunchi divisible cheyali? 1 to the given number. See, for I equal to 1, it's okay ma. I less than or equal to SQRT ma. So efficient method ma, square root of num I plus plus, right? So if so even ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నా 1 కాదు మా, 2 నుంచి తీసుకుంటాను. సో 2 నుంచి మా, from 2 to if num is modulo division I is equal to 0 ma. If you divisible any number, either number to divisible avutune, so then return 0, else return 1. See ma, if you take a 4 or 5 తీసుకోండి మా, for example 5 తీసుకోండి. సో square root of 5 అంటే 2 వస్తుంది మా. square root of 5 అంటే 2 వస్తుంది, రైట్? square root of 5 అంటే 2 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. సో 2. So 2 less than or equal to, so 2 less than or equal to condition true. In the condition true, it comes to here num modulo division I. So num value is 5, right? 5 modulo division 2, condition false, right? So it is return 1. Next 3 అయినప్పుడు condition false అయిపోతుంది. Next if you pass a 4 pass ఉంటుంది మా. So I value 2 ఉంది, square root of 2 అన్నప్పుడు 2 వచ్చేస్తుంది మా. 2 less than or equal to 2, condition true. When it comes to here num value is 4, modulo division 2 is equal to 0, condition true. When the condition true, return 0 means false ma. It doesn't add, right? Ma, square root is an efficient method. Please note this. It reduces the much complexity on your program, okay na. If you use a square root, simple కొంతమంది అడిగినా సరే ఇదంతా మాకు తెలియదు, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ యూజ్ ఏ నమ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. ఎస్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారు, సార్ నమ్ ఎందుకు సార్, నేను నమ్ బై 2 యూజ్ చేస్తాను అనొచ్చు మా. సీమా ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అయినా ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్క్వేర్ రూట్ యూజ్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే నమ్ ఇక్కడ నమ్ యూజ్ చేశాను అనుకోండి, డోంట్ యూజ్ ది ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఓకేనా. నమ్ బై 2, అదర్వైజ్ నమ్ బై 2, రైట్? ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్ మా? Is this clear? Is this clear? See ma, this is the third kind of pattern, right? The first pattern, how the first pattern is? The first pattern is looks like error line. Second pattern is they didn't mention any error line. Fourth one is they'll give the one function you need to type the code here. మీరు కోడ్ ని ఇక్కడ టైప్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Should type your code here, right? మీ కోడ్ ని టైప్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది, right? So observe carefully. What is this program? Anyone can tell me? See, ma, this is the code, right? This is the program. Table printing, ma. Table printing, ma. Table means not a table, so it's a multiplication table. Yes, exactly, ma. It is a multiplication table. Okay, na? So with that, you need to find the sum also. Okay, na? So multiplication, suppose 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Means, so up to 10 mark. So 5 into 1, 5, 2, 5 into 10, 50 వరకు print చేయాలి. As well as you should find the sum also. So what is the sum here? 275. So this is your task. This is your input. This is your output. This is your input. This is your output. ఇలా output ని generate చేయాలి. That is your task. Okay na? So even they didn't give any program. So for that you need to write a code. For that you need to write a code. Code మీరు రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. So you know very well. Yes, I'm going to write a code. Code రాస్తా. So do you want to write for that, or you can manage? Yes, ma. Can you manage, or can I write the code? Do you want code for that? Yes or no? So you just print the multiplication table. If anyone wants to write the code for this, it's very simple, right? It's a very, very simple code, right? Right? It is a very, very simple code. So we need a sum also. Right? Sorry, some k equal to right. Next one. Is this code right, ma? Is the code is right? Is the code is right, ma? Yes, ma. Is this right? Or is there any mistakes? Yes, exactly. K is not defined. Okay. So still you need to identify the mistakes, ma. Yes, ma. Initialization is not required, ma. Initialization is not required because I'm not going to addition of that one. Na? So I use chestunna la use chesko, ma. Here I used, ma, but it didn't show. I less than or equal to n. Yes, exactly ma. Exactly. Here not n ma. Here it is a 10. See ma, it is a 10 ma, not a. See, it is a 10. Right ma. Slash t is not required ma, because they use just space comma only na. See, comma only, right? So you should use a comma here. Comma use చేయాల్సింది ma. Then after that, yes ma. Yes ma. ఇంకొక మిస్టేక్ ఉంది మా. One mistake. Slash t కాదు మా. So only one mistake is there. Find out. So only the one mistake is there. N equal to 1 now. Wrong. Not required. Not required ma. Superb. Superb ma. Here you should use slash n. Because see how they are going to print. The 275 is the next line, right? Exactly ma. Here you should use a slash n. Right? So you should write the code that much care. I hope you are clear with that. Clear, right? Do you have any doubts here? Ask me. Don't take easy ma, and don't take hard also. So definitely I have confidence you people can solve these kind of problems. Right? Don't be panic and don't be take it easy. Right? Yes or no? You should respond. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. See, ma'am. So we have to find the security key from the data transmitted. What is the security key and find out child, ma'am? Security key and find out child. Right? So the input is consist of an integer data. So input ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Integer data లాగా ఉంటుంది. It is an integer data. Right? So print an integer representing the security key of the given data. వాటిలో ఏది సెక్యూరిటీ కీ అని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి. సి ఏ డేటా అయితే రిపీటెడ్ గా ఉంటుంది మా. If the data is repeated, then that is the secret key. See 5. So is there any repeated? No. 7, yes, it is repeated, right? Next ma 8. 8 is also repeated. And 3 also repeated. So there is the order you have to take ma. Order మీకు తీసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఆర్డర్ మీరు తీసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Right? So is this clear ma? So the given input, your task is to identify the repeated numbers and print the output. Is it clear? Is it clear ma? So what is the input and how we need to generate the output? How you need to generate the output ma? ఈ అవుట్పుట్ ని ఎలా జనరేట్ చేయాలి? How you need to generate the output? Right? See, this is the code they have given. Can you identify the errors in this program? Can you please identify the errors in this program? C ma. Now yes ma, first see here they read a string ma, string read చేశారు. Here you don't require the ampersand ma, please note this, string ki ampersand అవసరం ఉండదు. ఓకేనా, ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. And next ma, string length find out చేస్తారు ma, but where they are going to store the data, right? Should write length. So length, right? So I equal to 0, I less than L, I less than length ma, I less than I equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus means it is going to take the first character. It's going to take the first character, right? So next ma, I plus 1, I j equal to I plus 1. I plus 1 and it is going to take that the character. A character of this could do. Okay na? I plus 1. So I plus 1 less than length ma, less than length. So akkad nunchi last character varaku, akkad nunchi last character varaku. See ma, if you take the minus 1 అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? It is wrong ma, it is not a minus 1. Last character వరకు తీసుకోవాల్సిందే కంపల్సరీగా. It should take that until last character, right or wrong? ఏం బాబు? కూర్చోండి మా. 2 3 2 ఉంది మా, 2 3 2 ఉంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏమవుతుందా? I equal to 0, ఇక్కడ -1 పెట్టారు అనుకుంటే 2 క్యారెక్టర్స్ మాత్రమే, అంటే 2. See, so this value goes to next to 0 కాస్త 1 అవుతుందా? సో 1 నెక్స్ట్ 2 అంటే ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ అసలు కౌంట్ చేయదు ఇది, రైట్? దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ డజంట్ కౌంట్, ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ కౌంట్ చేయదు మా, రైట్? సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు హియర్. సో హియర్ a of I equal to a of j, is it right? Is it equal or double equal to? Chuma. So generally you people can miss this kind of things because generally you doesn't concentrate on this kind of things ma. Please concentrate on these things. This is a double equal to, is a double equal to, right? Is a double equal to. Next ma, print percentage C percentage A means after that it needs to break, means for the particular digit ఏదంటే ఒకసారి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిపీటెడ్ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ టైం రిపీట్ అయినా కూడా, ఈవెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిపీట్ సింగిల్ టైం, దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టాప్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఫర్ ద పర్టికులర్ డిజిట్. మీరు స్టాప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? 578. ఇంత జస్ట్ 121 తీసుకోండి మా, 121 తీసేసుకోండి. లెంత్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 3 మా, లెంత్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 3. సో I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, right? So means it repeats 3 times ma. It repeats 3 times. 0 ki 0 less than 3, 1 less than 3, 2 less than 3, 3 times. For the first time I value is 0, right? I value is 0. It comes to here, j value is goes to I plus 1, right? J value 1. So here the length is 1, right? So it repeat 1 less than 2 and 1 less than 2 less than 3, 2 less than 3, right? 2 less than 3, 2 less than 3, 2 less than 3 ma. So for that a of 0 with 1, a of 0 with 2, yes may print 1. So next time out ma, so it exit out ma. So see, one student given the series ma, see 2 3 4 2 3 2 3 4 2 3 2 4 ma, 2 3 2 4. But this is the series given by some student ma. So what is the length of this series? Plus what is the length ma? What is the length? What is the length of the given number? 7, right? The number is the length is 7, right? So next ma, I equal to 0. I equal to 0. For 0, what are you going to do? I plus 1 means j value is 0 ma. J value is 1, right? 1 less than 7. Condition true, right? In the condition true, it comes to here. A of I value is 2. A of I value is 2. This value is 3, right? Condition false. In the condition false, it comes to here. J value is 2 ma. For 2 with 2. condition false, right? J is 3. So see, మీకు తెలుసు కదా 0 1 2